Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, a new flag of ISI club is to be designed with 5 vertical strips using some or all of the 4 colors green, maroon, red and yellow. In how many ways this can be done so that no two adjacent strips have the same color? So, let this be the flag and we have 5 vertical strips 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. So now V1 can take any of the 4 colors. V2 can take 3 colors except the one that is present in V1. So it can take 3. Now V3 can take any 3 colors except the one present in V2, so it can take V3. And similarly V4 and V5 can also take any 3 colors except the one which is present in the adjacent strip. So the total number of ways in this can be done is 4 into 3 to the power 4, that is 4 into 81 is equal to 324. So the correct option is option B. The next question is, let A be a 3 cross 3 real matrix with all diagonal entries equal to 0. If 1 plus I is an eigenvalue of A, then the determinant of A equals. Now, since one eigenvalue lambda 1 is equal to 1 plus I, the other has to be 1 minus I, and let lambda 3 be equal to A. Then x minus alpha, where lambda 3 is alpha, x minus alpha into x minus 1 plus I into x minus 1 minus I. Now this can be simplified to x minus alpha into x squared minus 2x plus 2, which is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus alpha x squared minus 2 alpha x minus 2 alpha. Now, the trace is equal to sum of eigenvalues, which is equal to 1 plus I plus 1 minus I plus alpha, that is equal to 2 plus alpha, and since all diagonal entries are equal to 0, this is equal to 0. From here we get alpha is equal to minus 2. Therefore, determinant is equal to minus 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 4. So the correct option is option A. The next question is, if A is equal to 2i, I0, then the trace of A to the power 10 is. Now we have been given with A. Now let us find the characteristic polynomial for the matrix A. So this becomes 2 minus lambda into minus lambda minus I squared, which is equal to lambda squared minus 2 lambda plus 1, that is lambda minus 1 whole squared. From here we get lambda to be 1 and 1. Now we know that trace is equal to sum of eigenvalues, that is lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So the correct option is option A.